Hello viewers, I am Dr. Neha and today we'll be discussing frequently asked questions on important questions on Unit 5, that is polymers and organometallic compounds. The first question which is variously asked is illustrate various application of polymer composites. So we have already discussed polymer composites where we have studied the application of polymer composites in details. It is used in industry, in making daily life articles, in preparation of sandwich panels, which is used for fabrications. So you can just see that video and then we can understand and answer this question. Moving on to the second question. Write down preparation properties and application of following polymers. UNAS, nylon 66, terylene, neoprene, Kevlar, bakelite. So we have already discussed them. UNAS is elastomer. Neoprene is also elastomer, so you can check it out in the video of elastomers. Nylon 66, Kevlar, and terylene. These three you'll find in the fibers. Nylon 66 and Kevlar are polyamides, and terylene is a polyester. Bakelite you can see in thermosetting polymers. Third is what are conducting polymers? Give classification application. So conducting polymers are new class of polymers which have ability to conduct heat and electricity. The classification is we have already discussed in the lecture holding conducting polymers, that is of two types, intrinsic conducting polymers and extrinsic conducting polymers. And the application is also there. Intrinsic conducting polymers are further of two types, that is pi conjugated polymers and blended polymers, and extrinsic conducting polymers are of two types, that is conducting element filled conducting polymer and blended polymer. Then what is Grignard reagent? Give any 5 applications. So Grignard reagent is an organometallic compound in which R, that is organometallic organic group, is directly attached with Mg, that is magnesium, right? And this is, if you distribute it, dissociate it, this will be negative part and this will be positive part. Give classifications, give any 5 applications. So the formation of alkanes, alkenes, alkynes, and primary, secondary, and tertiary alcohol production. Sandwich panels. Sandwich panels are type of reinforcement composite. So when you will study the classification of based on the reinforcement classification of this polymer composite based on reinforcement, you'll find sandwich panels since application was fabrication, right? And the next one is illustrate and the preparation of Grignard reagents. So preparation was with alkyl halide, direct reaction with metal, that is magnesium. In presence of dry ether, we'll get RMgX. So dry ether was important over here because it happens in the presence of aprotic solvent. And predict the final product obtained when HCl, that is formaldehyde, will get primary alcohol. CH2CHO will get the secondary alcohol. Ketone will get the tertiary alcohol, and CO2 will get the acid. Okay. Coming on to the next questions. What do you understand by polymer blends? Polymer blends are a kind of a new class of polymers in which 2 or more polymers are blended together to form a new compound. What are biodegradable polymers? The polymers which can be degraded by the action of enzymes and environmental agents. So PGA, polyglycolic acid, PLA, that is polylactic acid, and PHPV are the important biodegradable polymers that we have already discussed in the previous lectures. You can check them out in the other videos. Next question is describe or classify polymer composites on the basis of reinforcement matrix. So on the basis of reinforcement, it is of 3 types, that is fiber reinforcement based, then sandwich panel, and then particle reinforcement. Then on the basis of matrix, it's the 4 types: metal matrix, polymer matrix, carbon matrix, and ceramic membranes. How will you prepare primary, secondary, tertiary amine from LiLOH? So we use primary amide, secondary amide, and tertiary amide to form primary, secondary, and tertiary amine from LiLH4. These are the major questions that we are being asked. These are the references that we use for the preparation of these materials. Thank you.